this is Axton here, and I just made a new YouTube channel, and this morning there's a humongous blizzard with winds up to 90 km per hour, and this is what happened after. Obviously my driveway has been shoveled because it just magically disappeared, right? So, let you know, I was getting on the bus, right? I go to South Metro, and anyways, I was getting right on the bus. So my dad had to drive me there. Then I got on the bus. I was getting in, and then the storm picked me up, and then I grabbed onto the doors, and I actually ended up pulling myself through, and yeah. So, this video was kind of short, and yeah, I know, but it's my first video, so make sure to smash that like button and comment. So, good.